You know that frustrating gap between spotting someone interesting and actually having a real conversation with them? We often freeze there, our minds racing through a Rolodex of cliches. What's your name? Do you come here often? We know these lines are dead on arrival, but we can't think of anything else. We're trying to skip the warm-up and go straight to the main event, and it just doesn't work. What if the key wasn't a brilliant opening line, but mastering the part we usually dismiss as trivial? I'm talking about fluff talk, but not the boring, fact-based kind we default to. I'm talking about a specific, intentional kind of fluff talk that acts as the secret gateway to a real, genuine connection. So what's the problem with standard fluff talk? Simple. It's all facts, and facts are boring. Think about it. Where are you from? What did you do today? What's your major? It's an interview. You're collecting data points, and she's your unwilling database. Giving you her facts makes her feel nothing, and frankly, she has zero use for the facts you're giving her in return. This is why so many conversations fizzle out. They're running on the wrong fuel. The number one rule of effective fluff talk, the golden rule, is to direct the conversation toward feelings. Feelings are the universal language. They're what we remember, what we connect to, and what makes an interaction memorable. Let me show you how it works. Imagine this common exchange. You, so, what did you do yesterday? Her, oh, I went skating. You, instead of cool, you go for the feeling, you like skating? Yes. Makes you feel good, doesn't it? Boom. With one simple pivot, you've just opened a door. Instead of a dead-end fact, you now have a runway. You can agree and describe the feeling of skating as this liberating, wind-in-your-hair experience. Or, if she's a talker, you can have her describe that wonderful feeling herself. Without even realizing it, you've seamlessly transitioned from boring small talk into a conversation that actually makes her feel something. She's no longer just reciting her day, she's sharing a part of her emotional world with you. The same principle applies everywhere. Let's say you're talking about breakfast. You could ask, "Have you eaten?" and get a one-word answer. Or you could use it as a launch pad. But if you had your own personal cook, what would your dream breakfast be? Her eyes light up. Oh, fried eggs and bacon and a large cup of hot chocolate. That would feel amazing, wouldn't it? Just lazily lying in bed, feeling the warmth of the cocoa spread through your body. See what happened? You took a mundane topic and used it to co-create a pleasant sensory experience. You're not just talking at her, you're building a shared moment in your imaginations. Now, if the idea of steering every topic toward feelings feels like a lot of pressure, there's another brilliant, low-effort tool you can use, the story approach. Just ask, "So, what's your story?" Or if she's wearing something interesting, "What's the story behind that necklace?" This question is a powerhouse. It's open-ended and gives her complete control. She might talk about her job, how she knows the host of the party, or why that necklace is special. Whatever she chooses to share is a giant flashing sign telling you what's important to her. That's rapport material handed to you on a silver platter. If she shares something personal, you can mirror that by sharing something similar about yourself, building a bridge of understanding between you. At the end of the day, the ability to engage in fluff talk is essential, but not just any fluff talk. She can exchange facts with a million guys and not feel a thing. Or she can give a simple fact to you and get a wonderful return on it, a moment of shared laughter, a understood feeling, a glimpse into a story. So next time, forget the fact-finding mission. Don't just ask what she does. Ask her how it makes her feel. Don't just notice her necklace. Ask for the story behind it. Make the shift from an investigator to an explorer of human experience. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes.